Welcome everyone to this detailed comparison between Israel and Iran, two of the most strategically influential nations in the Middle East. Their decades-long rivalry is shaped not just by ideology, but by vastly different military strategies, technological capabilities, and global alliances. Let's examine how these two countries compare in terms of military strength, beginning with the basics and working our way into the heart of their defense capabilities. As of 2025, Iran has a population of approximately 89 million people, while Israel has a significantly smaller population of around 9.8 million. Despite this population gap, Israel's highly advanced economy has outpaced that of Iran in recent years. Israel boasts a GDP of about $560 billion, driven by its innovation sector, defense technology, and strong international trade. In contrast, Iran's GDP stands at roughly $420 billion, impacted by sanctions and political isolation, though still supported by oil and natural gas exports. These figures help explain the differing scopes and priorities of their military investments. When it comes to manpower, Iran fields a massive force of about 610,000 active military personnel backed by roughly 250,000 reservists. Israel, while much smaller, maintains a well-trained and technologically integrated military with about 170,000 active personnel and an impressive 465,000 reservists. Israel's reserve system is highly organized and quickly deployable, giving it the ability to scale its response rapidly in times of crisis. So while Iran holds a numerical advantage in active troops, Israel compensates with a larger, more responsive reserve force and superior battlefield integration. Turning now to land forces, Iran has a larger ground army with over 1,600 main battle tanks, including T-72s, M-60s, as well as various locally produced variants, including modern and advanced models such as the Karar. However, most of its tanks are outdated and lack modern protection or digital fire control systems. Iran also maintains a significant artillery force and has invested heavily in ballistic missiles and rocket artillery for area denial and deterrence. On the other hand, Israel operates around 1,650 tanks in total, the vast majority of which are Merkava models, including the advanced Merkava Mark IV. These tanks are built with crew survivability, precision targeting, and digital battlefield awareness in mind. Israel's ground forces also include Nemer APCs, automated artillery systems, and some of the most effective air and missile defense networks in the world. So while both countries have large armored forces, Israel's are more modern, survivable, and far more technologically capable. In the skies, Israel commands one of the most powerful air forces in the region, with around 600 aircraft. Among its top assets are 40 F-35I Adir stealth fighters, modified uniquely for Israeli needs, along with over 80 F-16s, 25 F-15 IRAM strike fighters, and AH-64 Apache helicopters. Israel also integrates early warning systems, surveillance aircraft, and cutting-edge drones like the Heron TP to maintain aerial dominance. On the other hand, Iran operates about 540 aircraft, including MiG-29s, Su-24s, and F-14 Tomcats from the Shah era. Iran's air fleet is outdated by modern standards, but it compensates with a growing drone program featuring loitering munitions like the Shahed 136 and reconnaissance UAVs. Still, Israel's air superiority is clear thanks to its fifth-generation fighters, electronic warfare capabilities, and integrated C4ISR networks that Iran simply cannot match with its current assets. Looking at naval forces, Iran's navy is numerically larger, consisting of over 100 vessels, including Kilo-class submarines, frigates, and a vast number of fast attack boats and drone boats tailored for asymmetric warfare in the Persian Gulf. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy, or IRGCN, plays a key role in threatening commercial shipping and deterring foreign naval presence near Iranian waters. Israel, by contrast, operates a much smaller navy of around 65 vessels, but they are far more advanced. Its fleet includes modern Sayar-5 and Sayar-6 corvettes armed with air defense and anti-ship missiles, and Dolphin-class submarines believed to be capable of launching nuclear-capable cruise missiles. While Iran emphasizes swarm tactics and coastal defense, Israel's navy excels in precision strikes, intelligence gathering, and power projection well beyond its shores. Finally, we come to nuclear capabilities, which are perhaps the most sensitive element in this comparison. Israel has never officially acknowledged possessing nuclear weapons, but it is widely believed to maintain between 80 and 90 nuclear warheads, with delivery systems ranging from Jericho ballistic missiles to F-15 strike aircraft, and possibly submarine-launched cruise missiles from its Dolphin-class subs. This gives Israel a credible nuclear triad, ensuring a second strike capability. On the other hand, Iran does not currently possess nuclear weapons, but it has developed an extensive nuclear program and has enriched uranium close to weapons-grade levels. Its estimated nuclear breakout time is now measured in weeks or months, depending on political decisions. While Iran insists its program is for peaceful energy use, the international community remains deeply concerned about its potential to weaponize its nuclear infrastructure. In short, Israel holds a significant and established advantage in nuclear deterrence, while Iran remains a threshold nuclear power under heavy scrutiny. Thank you for watching, and I hope this comparison offered valuable insight into the evolving military dynamics between Israel and Iran.